I just want to show all you my little Halloween look. Oh God, what's that in the background?
What's that? Really
Imagine on it driving, right? Imagine on it driving and you turn around in your rearview mirror and you see that. Oh God, what would you do? Oh, it's a video. We see.
Guess what? I tell like this. What you my people know?
When she knows everything wrong, I'm gonna display. She coming up and shouting, even I'm not showing. But when she is causing nothing she can stealing, everything we need. Just that she's out there. Empty that I'm I feel like this single.
Let me tell you why I like to come and party in this one. Let me tell you why. All this review and I even take time after. Making a protein money. See, I mean, see. Hold on. I can hold one more person. One more person I can hold. Please, stay with me. Alright, good. Alright, hold on. How are we going to do this, Mike? How are we going to pass a message? Hold on, never come on top of it because Jano. Right, good. Everyone going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. 6 people on top of it. Right? So, best costume. That one? Right. What we're going to do? The wine into the tune? They're going to wine for you in the costume? Well, they really made the band of them one time. No, get in. Press play. You first. Hold on. Oh no, let's can't wine at the same time. Hold on, let's can't wine at the same time. How are we gonna do? How we going? Hold on. You first. You must do wine first. And then we go in order. Let me go. Hold on. So we have Vendetta and we have this young lady here. Who's staying on the stage? Vendetta, the young lady. The young lady staying? The young lady of Vendetta staying on the stage. Hold on. If you want the young lady to say, make some noise for your hands in the air right now. If you want Vendetta to stay on the stage, put your hands in the air. Alright, darling. Vendetta saying, you need to come down for water this summer, please. Yeah. 1 minute. Street, hold on. Right. So Vendetta and who is this? Come. Hold on. Wonderful. You in front, you come in front here. Vendetta the dance up again. Let me go. You see this young lady? She dances on 2 different girls. You dance by yourself. You ready to Baron? He dance. He dance by himself. Right. You, 3, 4. Vendetta, let me go. Come on there, Vendetta. Vendetta, come on there. Oh, come. Let me go fast. Come down from there. Come down from there. Hey. Come down from there. Come down. Goodbye. Have a wonderful morning. So hold on. I don't get the rules. Hold on. Alright. I don't get the rules. Come back. So we'll focus on this. Wonderful. Come. You're ready? Come. I don't get some new rules here. They say it's the best costume tonight. Right? So, all of vote on the best costume between these people on top of the stage right now. Alright. You going first. This young lady right now, best costume. All of put her hands in the air. Nice. Vendetta, all of put her hands in the air for Vendetta. This young lady in the front here. Put her hands for this young lady in front here. Nice. You coming out the front? You coming out. Put her. If this one over the best costume, let me make some noise up all the hands in the FM. Vendetta over the whole essential. You like problems. You going up next? Ali Quinn. Hold on. If she make the best costume, make some noise for her. So we're going to Vendetta. If I love Vendetta right now, with the messenger. All the Philippines and the government, hey, not me, you know. I want to go home safe today. So here what's going on? We buying champagne for Vendetta because that is my favorite group.
We just given you all an update because the video just ended abruptly, but my girl
Won!
she won the prize. I think it was split in two.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
It was split in
So we assume that the guy with the Vendetta hat won the other half,
Yeah.
right? So I think it was their first time, so they wasn't really sure how to, you know, give her the prize. So it was kind of like haywire.
confusing.
But regardless, she's a winner. So you see, your Halloween makeup didn't go in vain.
Yeah, boy.
So that was it. And honestly, let me tell you like something. This is the first time I went to a Halloween party.
Me too. Me too. Actually, no.
He can't say the same.
Second time.
But this was my first time, and I wouldn't lie, it was pretty okay. It was decent.
So next Halloween you're going to prepare.
I tried to go as a corporal. As a corporal.
Tried to go as
A soldier.
a soldier thing.
So,
What you did, girl?
yeah, I put together what it is I had. I didn't buy anything, so I think I did okay too.
Me too. Honestly, my costume wasn't even a clown costume. It was just my face. That's selling.
She went as she said. A clown.
A clown. Everybody thought I was Harley Quinn.
But you could, you know, it looked like that too. I think
I
it's
don't
because of
find
the
so.
hairstyle.
The ponytail,
Yeah.
the
Probably.
pigtails. I don't
The
It
know.
white
was because of the hairstyle.
But I
so-
was a clown.
But Harley Quinn does have more red makeup and
she
stuff.
had a
Red and
baseball
blue.
back then. And she had something
Yeah.
right on she for her.
Yeah,
She had Joker and thing somewhere.
Yeah.
What's your Joker
Sure.
chain and thing?
she kind
Yeah,
of
so
crazy.
next year I was Joker and you guys
Okay. Alright, so that's a plan. So anyways, that was it for today's video. And I know it was a bit different. Coach and Anissa couldn't make it. I know they're gonna ask. Anissa had to work today. Today is Sunday.
I'm coaching at the phone.
And Coach will get to go away when Anissa not going. So I wanna say before I go, shout out. I'm gonna shout out two people. This was from Mommy and Daddy. Let me see if I remember off the top of my head. Mommy's shout out is Ryan from Price Club Supermarket, and Daddy's shout out is
Thank
to
you.
Roshni from Kweze Supermarket. We were told, well, I was told that you guys are big supporters of the channel, so thank you all so much, and you know, all the best wishes going on to you guys. So yeah, so that was it, guys. for today's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Stay safe, have yourself a wonderful week ahead, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.